Expert means whatever he is doing, he must do it very nicely. Suppose you are sweeping this room, you can do it very nicely to your best knowledge. That is expert. People will say, oh, you are very nicely done. Any work you do it very nicely. That is expert. Don't do it half-heartedly. To your best talent, to your best capacity, try to finish it very nicely. Whatever you are interested with some work, do it nicely. That is expert. If you think that you are unable to do that work, then whatever work you can do, you can, but do it nicely. That is expert. Don't imitate. I have no capacity to work in that way, and I want to imitate, oh, he is doing that, I shall do that. Don't do that. That is not expert. You take up what you can do very nice and do it nice. There are so many works. Krishna is not that he is static. He is dynamic, force. Just like Arjuna. He was not a Vedanti, he was not a Brahmin, he was not a sannyasi, he was householder, he was military man, but he knew his business has to do it nicely. So you do your business nicely, that is expert. And when it is doctored in Krishna, there is no gradation that this business is not better and that business is lower. Because everything is for Krishna. So that business becomes Krishna. Do it nicely. And Krishna is satisfied. And that is your success. व्यापारिषु व्यापारं जो नरो कर्तुमिच्छति समूल हन्नति किलत्पाटिव बाणरवत्. Expert. There's a very nice story in Sanskrit. A monkey you might have some experience that sawman, those cut wood sawman. So a sawman was cutting wood by the saw. So at the end of business, it was half cut. So he pulled on a plug, so that next day he will come and again begin sawing. So one monkey came. The monkey sat down there and began to pull on this plant. Because monkey's business is simply mischievous. So he did not know that his plow and some portion of his thigh was within the hole, and when he took out the plug, it was clipped, and he could not get out and died. So the instruction is that kilopatiyo banara, abhyaparisu vyapara. Abhyapara means an occupation which is not fit for you. That is abhyapara. Abhyaparisu vyapara. And one occupation which is not exactly fitting you, you do not know how to do it. So if one wants to act in a business in which he is unable to do, then he is killed just like this poor monkey. Apyaparishu pyaparam junanu kartum chati samura annate. That foolish person is killed just like the monkey. The monkey's business was not to imitate this human, but he wanted to imitate. The result was that he was killed. That is not expert. Expertness is to just try to do which is easily performed. Don't accept anything heavy task, because Krishna does not want that we have to do these heavy tasks. Whatever you know, you just apply. God tells it in Krishna Consciousness. Krishna does not say that you have to become like this, like that, then you can serve. Doesn't say. Just like this cow, this is. What does it know? It's an animal. But the calf knows a brush his head and tongue is like this in love. That's his doing, and Krishna accepts it. Yes. That is expert. First of all, find out what is easily done by you. Don't take anything which is not easily done by you. You find out what is your occupation, what you can very nicely and easily perform, and do it for Krishna.